Okay, sorry I'm late. Here's an overview. This specialization will guide you to generate value with machine learning for your organization. My goal as instructor is to give you a unique, effective way to get started with machine learning and its real-world commercial deployment, and to keep it super interesting and fun the whole time. On the other hand, I'm a former professor, and this is totally like a university class in one way. The breadth and depth of content of this concentrated 3-course specialization is equivalent to one full semester MBA or graduate level course. Machine learning. Mwah. It spikes sales, accumulates clicks, fights fraud, and denies deadbeats. It's an incredibly generally applicable technology that improves all kinds of business operations. Basically, it makes everything work better. That is, it increases the performance of major processes across industry sectors, lines of business, and organizational functions. This specialization will empower you to realize that potential in practical, commercially viable terms. We'll cover best practices for both sides of the equation, both the technical and the business side, both the cutting-edge analytical methods under the hood and the project leadership practices for successfully developing and deploying predictive models. I'll step you through the end-to-end implementation of machine learning, keeping things totally accessible to business leaders and yet also totally vital to data scientists who want to secure their business relevance. It's a fact that most other machine learning courses focus only on the algorithms, the core predictive modeling technology. We'll cover that, but also cover the business side, machine learning project leadership, its commercial deployment, and the all too often overlooked yet critical preparation of the data. In this video, I'll give you a sampling of the wide range of topics we'll cover, and then in the next video, I'll clarify why this specialization, which covers a technical topic, is not actually a technical hands-on course, and yet why everyone, including techies and data scientists, benefits by starting with this concepts and business level coverage of machine learning. Now, what a huge topic area. Machines that learn from data and then use what they've learned to actively improve all the main functions of companies, government, law enforcement, hospitals, and other organizations. As you might imagine, this brings up a lot of fascinating questions and issues. Allow me to tease you with 10 questions that we'll address in detail later just to get you thinking and to whet your appetite. Why must a computer learn in order to predict? How many different ways can machine learning be applied? What myriad opportunities exist, and what are its limits? How much more profit does a business make by applying machine learning? Why do vegetarians miss fewer flights? Why are people who like curly fries more intelligent? For what 5 reasons do computers predict when you will die? How can you trust that the insights gained from data are real rather than just happenstance within the data at hand that ends up misleading or fooling you? Isn't accurate prediction generally impossible? Weather forecasting only works a few days ahead. And how do we establish credibility and proven value for a field that has the audacity to call itself predictive analytics? Is true artificial intelligence coming, or is all that AI stuff a myth? How do computers optimize mass persuasion? And how is it that there's actually no data that directly records marketing influence, considering it's so important? And finally, what are the greatest risks to civil liberties that arise when deploying machine learning, and how does this technology sometimes infringe on social justice?